What you making?
We're going to make chili
Chili.
in the crock pot. I'm putting everything together, and then we're going to heat the meat, brown the meat over campfire.
That's what's it.
These were fire roasted diced tomatoes.
As long as we're fire roasting, we might as well make everything that way.
These are zesty chili tomatoes.
Zesty chili.
Diced.
To be retrieved at a later date.
Very quickly, but yeah. Okay. This is 2 cans of drained dark kidney beans and black beans. These are cut up green pepper because I had some extra green pepper. These are peppers and onion. Seeing as how I needed onion, I'm going to go ahead and use these. I have a shallot I could put in here, but I'm trying to get all the onions out that I can. It's okay if there's a few peppers in there. I mean, the world don't come to an end.
Hey.
Okay. Really?
What's that?
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Cayenne pepper.
That's your favorite, isn't it?
That won't be the first going in. Last.
While you're stirring, I'm going to get this pan on.
Yeah.
Okay. Got to take the cast iron skillet and put it over the fire. Get ready for the process of, there we go, browning the ground beef. So back over here.
I'll be right back.
Okay. We've got some wind blowing here, don't we?
Yep.
Did some pretty good frying down underneath, didn't it?
Yeah.
Garlic salt.
This will give us the garlic flavor we need. I knew it wouldn't.
Okay, I'm going to put this knitting back on here, or oven mitt.
Yeah, bring it back over here, and then I can just...
Okay, here goes. This thing, I may not be able to hold on to it for long compared to the last time. Ah, hot.
You all right?
Yeah, just hot. I think getting those welding gloves is going to be a really, really good idea.
Yeah, I think we need...
Put it in. What you got there?
This is a V8. I normally get the zest, what do you call it?
Spicy, isn't it?
Spicy.
but they didn't have any at the store. They were out of it.
So it didn't happen.
We gonna get it all in there, you thought?
No, I knew that. I knew I wouldn't get it all in
there. Another acorn. Man, that one bounced clear over here. Whoa!
We may end up with an acorn.
Yeah, and one
If you
acorn.
get a weird looking bean, don't crunch down on it real quick.
That's a new motorhome coming through. Let it come again. Okay, I bet you they got up on top and they're probably gonna swing around. Okay,
Did they come with?
so you put that in there and let it cook?
No. Now we've got it on high and we're letting it cook until.
Stir it occasionally and just let it cook?
Yep.
Okay. Anything else you want to say?
Nope. In a little while we'll have chili.
Well, here she comes. A couple of ingredients that were forgotten. What you got?
I've got
Taco Bell restaurant sauce mild and Frank's Red Hot original.
Yeah.
Okay. Restaurant sauce of the mild variety. Taco Bell. She does a liberal dose. Now Frank's Red Hot. All shook up. Ah, it's got a squeezy thing on it. Nice. Pretty hot stuff.
Is it?
Yeah, I guess so. I've been told it is. That's the first time we've had it. I haven't been wanting to try it, and now we got it.
We got some sour cream to lighten the load if it's too hot.
Lighten the load. Okay. A few hours from now, chili. Yeah. Well, our chili is ready now. Actually, it probably has been for an hour or so.
We had neighbors.
Yeah, we had some neighbors come over and visit. So, anyway, get it all put into bowls, and it got dark on us outside while we were talking to the neighbors. So, guess we'll be eating our chili now. But anyway, that's how you make chili when you're out here. It's been sitting on the table all day until just a few minutes ago.
And always, if at all possible, use, fix your meat over the fire.
Looking good. I like it.
And we're serving it with crackers, nacho chip or corn chips, big corn chips, nacho chips, Mexican cheese, and sour cream.
And here's the layout.
I did not know what you wanted to drink.
Okay. I'll get it.
Okay.
Thank you, man. Signing off.